Most folks believe that having a high IQ means you are a human computer, but that is a big fat lie. Real intelligence is actually about how you handle the mess in your head. So listen very closely. You can stop studying hard books right now because I have a better way. So let us start today now. If you follow these weird little habits every single day of your life, you will feel like a boss. Smart people actually love it when they are totally wrong about something, and they enjoy it too. While most people cry when they make a mistake at work or school, geniuses just laugh it all off. Admitting that you do not know the answer is a superpower of the mind, and it makes you better. If you can stay humble and learn from every silly thing you do wrong, you will grow very fast now. Do not waste your precious time trying to win a stupid argument online. Just go get a sandwich now. Stop stressing out about the weather or the weird opinions of your neighbors. It does not help that. Smart individuals have a very special filter for things they cannot change, and they use it well. If you cannot fix a problem with your own two hands within 5 minutes, just let that thing go now. Focusing only on what you can actually do makes you much more productive and keeps you happy now. You only have a small amount of brain battery every single morning, so do not waste it on trash now. Most people are totally terrified of being bored for even a few seconds, but they are very wrong. A quiet brain is actually a very dangerous weapon in a world of loud noise, so try to find peace. Instead of scrolling on your phone like a mindless zombie every hour, just sit still and think now. Great ideas usually show up when you are doing absolutely nothing at all, so embrace the silence. Take a walk without your headphones and let your mind wander around for a bit. It feels so good now. When someone says something that makes you really angry or upset, just count to 5 very slowly. Reacting like a wild animal is what most people do every single day, but you are much smarter now. Giving your brain a few extra seconds to process information is a game changer. Believe me, right? You will stop saying stupid things that you regret later that evening, and your life will improve. Being the person who stays calm while everyone else is panicking is cool, and it gives you power. Truly clever people try to make everything as simple as possible for others, and they love that. If you cannot explain your big idea to a very small child or a golden retriever, it is too hard. Fancy words are mostly used by people who are trying to hide their own confusion, so stay clear now. Use short sentences and simple thoughts to get your point across to everyone, and keep it simple. Every morning you should ask yourself what one thing really matters today, and focus on that part. Life is way too short to spend it worrying about things that will not matter in 5 long years. Imagine that your brain is a luxury hotel and only good thoughts can stay there for a low price. If a thought is being a rude guest and making a big mess in the lobby, just throw that thing out. You are the boss of your own head and you decide who gets to stay inside. So be a tough manager now. People will notice that you are much more relaxed than everyone else is, and they will want that too. Being smart is not about being a jerk to people who do not know as much. It is about being kind now. A kind heart is often a sign of a very well-regulated and healthy brain. So be nice to friends. Do not forget to laugh at yourself because life is a very funny joke anyway. So have some fun now. When you stop taking everything so seriously, you will find that you are clever and much faster now. Subscribe to this channel right now if you want to keep your brain very sharp and stay very cool. We talk about the best ways to live a happy and successful life every week, so do not miss out now. Sharing this video with a friend who is always stressed is a great idea, so go ahead and do it now. Tell me in the comments which habit you think is the most helpful for you, and I will read it today. I love hearing from all of you and learning about your own personal journey, so let us connect now. You have the power to change your entire life just by shifting your focus, so start right now today. The world needs more people who think for themselves and stay very calm, so be that person today. Remember that you are already more than enough just the way you are right now, so keep it moving now. Success is not just about making lots of money or being famous online. It is about being happy now. Make sure to get enough sleep every single night so your brain can reset itself for the next day. Drink plenty of water and eat some green vegetables once in a while. Your body will thank you now. If you stay consistent with these simple mental tricks for a month, you will see a huge difference. Never let anyone tell you that you are not capable of greatness, because you definitely are today. Keep your eyes on the prize and do not let small distractions pull you away from your main goal now. Being a lifelong learner is the best gift you can give to yourself, so never stop asking why now. Each day is a fresh start and a new chance to be a better version of yourself, so take it gladly. I hope you enjoyed this chat about the secrets of a truly smart mind, and I will see you very soon. Be safe out there and take good care of your beautiful brain, because it is the only one you get.